Hi, fans. I'm the PC Expert Amateur, and we're going to take a look at the SMTime or Xiangyu Group or Huangshi Xiangyu Light Industry Company Limited. It's a mouthful. Now, it's just a very plain box, just like that. So this is the fan. And this is an AC fan. It came with an industrial connector on it, a 2-pin connector. So I had to remove that connector and attach an AC cord to it. And the leading tip of the fan blades is serrated with 4 teeth, I guess you could call them. And this is supposed to be pretty powerful. But I was a little bit disappointed with its performance. Let's go ahead and listen to it. Now, unfortunately, I can only do it at maximum speed because I don't have a speed switch on this cable. So you're just going to hear the maximum. Are you ready to rotate?
So that's not too loud. It's a bit of an odd noise. It's approximately 35 decibels. And interestingly enough, although it didn't perform to the stated specifications, the airflow is actually pretty good.
Now, just in case you couldn't hear it before. And as far as static pressure is concerned, it's not that powerful. It really cones outward quite a bit. And I would say that the static pressure is approximately 2.5, maybe 3. Let's take a look at the specs. I just wanted to mention I was relatively pleased with the packaging. Aside from the cardboard box, corrugated cardboard, it came inside of this static-free bag and was wrapped with this bubble wrap around it. So that is good because this is a heavy dual ball bearing fan, and it probably would have been damaged if they hadn't done that. Oh man, I've got to read it again. SMTime or Xiangyu Group or Huangshi Xiangyu Light Industry Company Limited. This is the XY-12038B2H. Sorry, I didn't say that earlier. And, didn't mean that. There we go. All right, sorry about that. It's a $38 fan, so not cheap. In fact, I would say at this price, it's too expensive. It's certified for CE compliant with CE and CCC, made in China, 120 by 38 millimeters, 1-year warranty, 230 grams, 7 blades, 105 millimeters between the mounting holes, 4,800 RPM supposedly, although it didn't reach that, 122 CFMs of airflow. It exceeded that. It's supposed to be 10.08 millimeters of static pressure. It didn't. I didn't use a manometer, but it didn't reach that. 40 decibels, actually, because it was running slowly, it didn't reach 40 decibels either. And it's got a 72 centimeter long cable, no daisy chaining or sleeving, AC power, dual ball bearings, 110 to 240 volts. So, but of course, in my case, it was 110. And then. It doesn't. I forgot. I have an equation there. 66 watts, 0.6 amps. 66 watts seems like an awful lot. And it does have indicators for direction of rotation and flow, turns in a clockwise direction, and it didn't come with anything else.